Welcome to the University of Arizona, where history meets boundless possibilities. Established in 1885, our renowned institution is dedicated to academic excellence and community engagement. As you gaze upon the iconic Old Main standing tall amidst the vibrant city of Tucson, you can feel the spirit of exploration and knowledge that has thrived here for over a century. As renowned author and philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, the University of Arizona is a place where minds are opened, ideas are nurtured, and dreams are realized. With over 200 undergraduate majors and more than 150 graduate programs, the University of Arizona offers a diverse range of academic opportunities and pioneers in research, making groundbreaking discoveries that shape the world. From space exploration to medical advancements, our institution pushes the boundaries of human knowledge. Welcome to a place where your dreams are nurtured, your horizons expanded, and your future shines brightly.